This RefWorks training session will cover ways to organize your references using projects. One way to think about projects is that they are like separate instances of RefWorks. You only have to log into RefWorks once, but each project will have its own set of references, folders, sharing, and so on. When you search RefWorks for references, you'll only find those in one project, and you can easily move references between projects or copy references from one project to another. When you conduct several major research projects with different teams of people on each project, you can keep references separated into projects. You can share those RefWorks projects with each team. When you started using RefWorks, you were in a project called Untitled Project. You can rename a project at any time. Select the drop-down menu next to the project title and choose Manage Projects. To the right of each project name, select the Actions drop-down menu and choose Rename. Enter a new name and save. You can create as many projects as you need to manage your research effectively. To do this, click Create a New Project on the Manage Projects page. Enter a project name and click Save. From here, you can set the new project as Current Project in the Actions menu. Or, click on the project name in List of Projects. You will be taken to that project and it will become your current project. New project will have no references, folders, or anything else. Now, you can add references and organize just like you always have done. You can share folders within that project with others. Each time you log into RefWorks, you'll be brought into the last project you were working on. Therefore, it's very important each time to check which project you're in. If you import references into a different project than you intended, you can easily copy references from one project to another. Select the references, then at the top menu, choose Assign, then proceed copying references. On the Copy selected references to another project modal, click to select which project you would like your references to go. You may choose a folder if there are folders in your destination project, or create a new folder in the destination project. You may choose your current project. This will create duplicates of your selected references with new ref IDs and click on Copy. During the copy process, you will see progress notification. The references you selected to copy are not available to be edited until the copy process is completed. Once copy references process is completed, you will see a confirmation message on top of your screen. You can also select to copy or move folders from one project to another. To copy a folder, click on the three dots, More Actions next to the folder name, and click Copy. Follow the copy steps as you did when copying references. This process will create a new folder with references, which will have new ref IDs assigned in the destination project. The folder and references in the project you are in will remain unaffected. You may choose your current project. This will create duplicate folder and references with new ref IDs and click on Copy. While the copy folder process is in progress, you will see a message on top of the page. A progress bar in Folders area and references being copied will be unavailable to edit. Once copy folder process is completed, you will see a confirmation message on top of your screen. You may copy a shared folder, but sharing settings will not be copied. If you wish to share the copied folder from the destination project, you must set sharing settings there. Sharing settings in the current folder will not be affected. To move a folder, click on the three dots, More Actions next to the folder name, and click Move. On the Move folder modal, select the project to which you want to move your folder. You may not move a folder to the same project you are in. While the Move folder process is in progress, you will see a message on top of the page. A progress bar in Folders area and references being moved will be unavailable to edit. Once Move folder process is completed, you will see a confirmation message on top of your screen. After moving folder and references in that folder to the destination project, that folder and its references are no longer available in the original project. You may not move shared folders. If you want to move folders which are shared, you must first remove the sharing settings, or you can copy the folder instead. Learn more about folders and organizing references with Folders in RefWorks video. The link to this video is in the description below. One of the most powerful ways to use projects is to share them with other researchers. From the Share Project page, you can add RefWorks researchers to the project. The invitees will receive an email invitation to the project, and they will see the invitation on their RefWorks library page and in Manage Projects page. Once they accept, each researcher becomes an owner of the project. That means the project appears on their projects list, and they can use it to save and organize folders and references. That also means they can delete references, modify settings, and so on. They can even remove you from the project or delete the entire project, as long as it isn't set as current project of any other owner. On behalf of Claravit, thank you for watching Organizing References with Projects in RefWorks. We encourage you to view our other videos for more information about using your RefWorks account.